In the last video, we started writing a bit of HTML, and we've gone through some of the basic tags you need to know, like writing text, adding headers, bolding a text, underlining it, italicizing, and more. But really, a website has more than just text. You can add links to your website. And if you didn't know, search engine see a website with links as a high quality website. Of course, don't stuff your website with unnecessary links that are not valuable or relevant to the topic that you're discussing in your website. Now let's not talk about this, and right now, how to add links in HTML. As you can see in front of you, I have this basic structure of an HTML document. Right now, I'm in my body section, and let's add this link. To add a link, I need to use the anchor tag, and after that, I'm gonna specify the href attribute, and inside quotation, I'm gonna specify the link. So let's say this link will be Wikipedia's link. So I'll specify it inside double quotes, and then I'll say something like press here. And I'm gonna close this anchor tag. Now let me go to the browser and check this link. It says press here. And if I press it, we'll go to Wikipedia. As you can see, it is quite simple. Let's create another link. So I'll say a href, and inside quotation we need to add a link. Let's say this time it will be IMDb's link. So I'll paste it over here, and I'll say something like press me, let's say, and close the anchor tag. I'll refresh the browser. As you can see, we have press me. If I press it, I will go to IMDb. As you can see, those links are on the same line. Let us put this link on this line. It's very easy. All you need to do is add the break tag over here, so BR, and if I refresh the page, as you can see, it is on the next line. You're noticing that whenever I press this link, my website disappears and it displays instead Wikipedia's website. If I had a customer on my website and they press on a link, I want them to be able to easily come back to my website. So right here in this Wikipedia link, I'll add a space after that and specify the target attribute. And the target attribute will be blank, so underscore blank. And let's see what this will do. So if I press here, it will take me to Wikipedia, but it opens a new tab. So let's say the user wants to come back to my website, all they need to do is to switch tab and they're back to my website. So right here I'll add target and it will be underscore blank. So let's go and try it out. Press me, and as you can see, it will open a new tab. We could also link to another HTML document we have in our file. So I could say href, and as you can see, I have this HTML document over here. So I could write its name, file2.html. And I could say target equal to blank. And I will write over here, click me, and close the anchor tag. As you can see, we have this click me over here, and it will take me to my other website. It only says hello world. We could also link to an image. So inside this folder 1, I have this image.jpg. So let's try to link an image. But as you can see, this image is inside a folder. So before writing the name of the image, I need to specify the folder name. So folder 1 /image.jpg. And right now it should work. And I noticed that instead of a dot, I added a front slash. So that was my mistake. So click me, and as you can see, this is the image. Now I want to show you another attribute, which is hreflang. What this means is that this attribute allows you to specify the language of the linked document. I'll go and write it over here in this Wikipedia link. So hreflang equal to en, and en means English. So basically it just specify the language of the linked document. Press here, it will take me to Wikipedia. As you can see, it took me to Wikipedia normally. Nothing will change though. This attribute is only to specify the language of the linked document, but it helps in SEO or search engine optimization. Now let's say I want the user to download something from my website. I have this Word document over here. Let's say I want the user to download it. It's actually very simple. First I need to link it, so I'd say href, and I'll say folder1 /word-doc.docs. And after that, I'm gonna specify the download attribute, and I'm gonna say download over here, and close the anchor tag. As you can see, we have this download button, and let's click it. As you can see, this file is being opened. Now it's asking me to open it or save it. I'm just gonna delete it because I don't need it. As you can see, if I press this download button, this file will be downloaded for the user. Now another attribute is the ping attribute. and you should specify a value to it. So let me first write it over here. So I'll say ping, and we should specify a value. This value should be a link. And why do we use this ping attribute? Mostly this link is used for monitoring and tracking. That means if you want to know how many people press on this link, so let's say I will add a random link over here, so https www.mywebsite.com. If you want to track how many people press this link, the ping attribute could help. So inside this ping attribute, I'll specify a link. The value should be a link. /tracking traffic. Now these two websites are not real websites, they're just example purposes. But let's say you had an e-commerce store. You want to track how many people press the link of your e-commerce store. This ping attribute could help. It will send a message to the specified URL that someone pressed that link. Now I could add my link or nest it inside a paragraph. So I could say p and I'll say download or make sure to download this file. 2 and I'll say download, and here I will write download. So download and close the anchor tag, and I'm gonna say make sure to download this file and close the paragraph. And as you can see, it says make sure to download this file. So if I press on download, it will download for me this Word document. Now let's take it one step further than that. I could add this link inside a button tag. So right over here, if I want to add this button tag, I'll write button. I need to close this tag right over here because I want this link to be inside a button. As you can see, this download phrase or word is inside a button. If I press it, it will be a normal button, and as you can see, it will download for me this Word document. Let's do it one more time. Let's take the user to Wikipedia's website. I could say over here p button, and inside this button tag I will add the link. So a href, first let's say href lang en href, now the link, so I'm gonna copy it from here. This is Wikipedia's link, copy, paste, and then target equal to blank. Right now I'm gonna close it and write press here, close the anchor tag and close the button tag. I'm gonna add a normal phrase that says to go to Wikipedia's website and close the paragraph tag. As you can see, it says press here to go to Wikipedia's website. If I press over here, it will open for me a new tab and we can see Wikipedia's website in front of us. Alright, this is it on how to use or add links in HTML. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some value from it. In the next one, we will learn how to insert images and videos to our HTML document. But for now, click one of these videos that will appear on the screen to check out the evolution of the web from Web 1 to Web 3. Or watch this amazing spaceship creation that will allow space tourism.